Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to post rent or houses for rent inside Facebook Marketplace. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up your Facebook app and then click onto Marketplace. And then from here, under Marketplace, you want to click on Sell. And then it will say Create New Listing, so you can choose items, vehicles, or homes for sale or rent. So what we need to do is click on homes for sale or rent, and this will bring up another page. Alright, now this is a new listing, so what you want to do is add as many photos or relevant photos for that rent that is going to be, the house that's going to be up for rent. So I'm going to quickly do that now. Alright, I've added in a photo, but obviously add more the better, and then give it a title. So for example, I'm going to say house for rent, and then add in the price, $900. Categories, keep it as rentals. The other drop down options are home sales or rentals, but yeah, click on rentals because you want to rent out your house or that house. And now give it a description. Say how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, car spaces, and all that stuff here. And then give it some tags like house for rent, rentals, etc. Once you've done that, click on to next. Alright, once you've filled in your description and tags and stuff, click on to next. And now it's going to post it in Marketplace. As it sees there, you can add it or publish it to relevant groups as well. So go ahead and click on publish, and now that house is for rent and it's going to be visible to people on Marketplace. I'm not going to do this because it's a demonstration. Alright, that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.